Okay. Good morning and welcome to Mam Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Jan.
And I'm Anna. And today we're so excited. Jan is going to share with us her egg
Good
cooker.
job, Anna.
It's an egg cooker.
This is the coolest thing.
Do tell.
It's just so cool. It takes all the guesswork out of cooking eggs. You can soft boil, you can hard boil, you can poach.
And you can make 6 at a time.
Yes,
That's
or you
awesome.
can make one.
And are
if
you going
wish.
to do that today for us?
No. Yes. Okay, so first, we want to fill the water up, and it says right on this little cute little thing here where to fill it to for whatever type of egg you're going to cook.
What type of egg are we
This
going to
one, I'm going to do a soft boiled egg because it takes the least amount of time.
For you octo-vegetarians.
That's right. Anyone who eats eggs.
Okay, so you put
That's
that.
not a lot of water.
No.
Wow.
Then, the tricky part.
I think kids would
I
have
think
a
you
blast
need this
doing
part.
this.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant to have. Okay, now you want to remember that the bottom. Do you know the difference between the
rounder
bottom?
part.
Yes.
Mhm.
So that is going to go. Where's that going to go?
Have you done
Place
that
the
before?
eggs onto the boiling tray, but bottoms up. Okay. So what you need to do first, you're going to pierce the bottom of each egg, and there's this little like needle thing here.
Pointy guy.
And so if you are very careful, you can just, you don't want to squeeze the egg too hard.
Oh, it did it.
Yeah.
You made a
There-
little hole
There you go.
to let the
Whoops.
steam out. Wow.
Okay. And then you place that in the egg cooker.
Bottoms
up. Then you're going to just cover this up.
Okay.
And it has a
Lock
little
it.
lock
How does
thing.
it know? Do you set it to say
It
soft boiled?
knows.
It knows by the water you put in?
Mhm.
Okay.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh,
Is it on?
wow.
And then press the button, see?
It has a blue light.
Mm-hmm.
And how long does it take for you to cook this soft boiled?
I'm not sure. I haven't, I've only done a hard boil.
Oh, okay.
Well,
How long does a hard boil
Here.
take?
About 12 minutes or so. Does it say?
Soft boiled is 7 minutes?
It's so darn
Yeah.
cute.
7 minutes.
Yeah.
So cute.
So it does soft boiled, medium, hard boiled,
And then you have these little accessories here.
oh.
For what?
Well, wait. It says you can do a poached egg.
Oh, that's what these are for.
And
Right.
then omelets.
Yes.
Have you done the omelets before?
No. I just got this not too long ago.
That would be
It's
fun
so
to
cute.
try.
Oh, yeah.
So the omelets, I guess you would put one side, maybe the eggs and
Yep.
some
Spray it with cooking
Like
spray.
right, and then you would put just the
You gotta-
egg in
well, you-
one side.
You whisk 1 to 2 eggs
Yeah.
in a separate bowl. Then you put the water in there.
Okay, wait. This is probably the omelet then.
Right, this is probably for poached
So
eggs.
this
Yeah.
is there, and then you put your food in there. Oh, look, and I don't know if they can see this, but the water is boiling.
And look at all the steam forming
Yeah,
in
and
the
there is
dome.
there is one little hole there too.
Okay, so you put your egg in here, and then you put the toppings in on top of it, maybe that you like.
I would.
Yeah,
think.
because that's
Just
unless
like in a
it's-
frying pan, yes.
And then you
You can flip it.
turn it over. Does it tell you to turn it over?
I bet you don't have to because the steam is hot enough to cook the top.
It doesn't say anything
Because
about
when
turning
you
it
use
over.
even in a pan, when I pour it in, I start to kind of poke little holes to get it cook that top before I put the ingredients in.
Oh, I
But-
don't.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I always get
I
worried.
mix
if I
it
don't
all
cook
together.
enough.
All you do is you cover it, you press the power button, and when the buzzer sounds, it's ready to eat.
So is it telling you you
We're
can add
experimenting.
things?
It's not telling you anything, Kathy.
It just stops.
Yeah.
No. So you put your egg in. Are you then putting ingredients, or they're just saying it's an egg omelet and then that's it?
I don't know.
Well, that's something that we will have to investigate.
It doesn't really indicate on here.
Don't you just mix your eggs when you stir them? You put in the onion, whatever you want to cook, and then you put it in the frying pan.
That's a frittata. What you're
Okay.
talking about. Well, and I love frittatas, but I do like tomato when I was trying to have cheese in.
Potato,
Tomato and cheese
frittata.
and egg and all. So this then you can do 2
Poached
at a
eggs.
time. I remember I used to
love
love
poached
I
eggs.
loved doing it. That's why I learned to do it. You would boil the water, you would crack the egg and just drop it in the water, and then you would take a slotted spoon and you'd have to catch it.
I never
and
did it that way.
How did you do it?
Well, they still have egg poachers. I mean, regular ones where the water boils, and then there's like these 3 little sections, and you break the egg into the section.
You were
And
fancy
again,
pants.
yeah. And
Wow.
who knew, right?
And hard boiled. Oh, this feels good. It's warming me up. It's a
Oh
dual
my God.
action thing. Hard boiled. I just put the water. No, actually, I put the eggs in the saucepan first, and I take hot water as hot as I can get it, because I'm worried if you take a cold egg and drop it in the hot water, it sometimes breaks the shell.
No, you would just fill it with cold water. You put the cold egg in and fill it with cold water.
No, I fill it with the warm.
Well, now you don't have to do any of that.
I know.
And it'll tell you.
So it
when
automatically shuts off.
I tell you what, whenever I boiled eggs, and this I got from my mother, you put a little bit of vinegar in the water so that if the shell does crack, the egg doesn't come out.
Really?
Yes. But in this, you don't need to worry about that.
But so if the shell cracks, is it going to then taste like vinegar?
Not at all. You don't
Really?
taste the vinegar. It just keeps the egg from seeping out of the shell.
Oh, I didn't know that. So, and I sometimes make, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 hard-boiled eggs and just keep them, peel them and keep them in the fridge. Like my
You
husband
know,
wants
now
to
they
snack on
sell
them.
them in a bag
Yeah,
in
that's kind of creepy.
Costco.
Yeah,
that's creepy.
yeah.
Right?
That's too creepy. No,
But
I
I bet you there's many people out there that are going to always in their life buy these boiled eggs
Yeah.
already made, and are never going to boil their own eggs. I
Yeah,
just
I don't
find
like
that
that idea.
fascinating.
I know,
Like,
I
when
don't
did
know,
they
it's
make
like
them and how? Yeah,
kind of a sanitary
I'm
issue.
sure it has an expiration date like everything
I
else.
know, but still,
Just like they sell boiled beets.
They
something I
do?
won't be buying.
Yes.
Why?
Well,
Okay,
I
Tanya.
This is so cute, Jan.
I know, I
think
love
it's
it.
Cool.
It seems very easy to use once you get the hang of
And
it.
you know what? And look how easy these are to clean too.
It's
I
like
bet
playing
stuff comes
house, you know?
There you go. There you go. Then you just
So it's a
press-
self-boiled egg.
Yep.
Well, you did. That was a surprise. You didn't tell
Yeah.
us it made
It
music.
makes music.
Okay, so we turn it off.
Maybe we should uncover it.
Be careful when you uncover it, because there's going to be steam.
Ooh,
And then
nice.
you're there.
And now I want to see the egg.
Okay.
Okay, you do it, Anna.
Why?
I want to see. Oh, it's really hot.
Yeah. It's
He's
really
a
hot.
hot egg.
And see, you've got that. You stick this in there first, so that
Can
if
I
you
touch
had
It's
it?
really
Oh, yeah.
hot, Anna, to pick it up. I don't know if you can hold. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. Hey, yeah, look at her. She's got leather hands. Uh-oh. Hold on, wait. Okay.
Ooh, nice and runny.
Now, what if you want to cook it a little, like, I like them a little more cooked than that, so I wonder if you can extend that
Oh
time.
yeah.
How?
Of course you can. You just don't push up the.
Oh, so it continues cooking? Ah, until you turn it off.
That was
Okay.
so cool.
I know. I love it.
Yeah,
Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see.
it's beautiful.
inside. I think the water is kind of gone from here. That's kind of,
That's-
so when the
It's
water
just a
runs
little
out, it
bit
goes
left,
off.
yeah.
Okay, and then you
That's why you measure to know exactly the
Exactly.
time.
You have to use
here. Look.
Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click those share and like buttons and to enjoy
Thank you, Vanna.
new gadgets.
And I think this was under like $15.
It
or
was.
under $20 basically.
That is so fun. Do they have them in other colors?
They have all colors. They have. It's so cute. Yeah, they have
Hello,
white and they
Amazon.
have. There's pink and white and yeah.
Okay.
And be sure to subscribe to Man Talks on YouTube.
And our website, www.mamtalks.com. Remember to keep embracing getting older with us.
And we'll bring you some more gadgets.
That's right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.